the team's everything, bro. I mean, you know how it is. You've been in business a long time, way longer than I have. And I don't care what your business model is. If people don't have integrity, they don't have your best interest at heart. Have seen too much where great business models, great products, services, whatever, but the people at the top, they don't care. It's all they're greedy or they're shady. And it's like, it really sucks because it hurts people's lives, you know? And so when you own a business, you're entrusted to really help people. And that's what you do, man. You educate people. And I'm really grateful for that. And, obviously Cheryl is too. And, the fruit, it's just the fruit speaks for itself, right? The results. And so, yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. We're going to do stuff with our church. My pastor's open. We're meeting with him this month to start investing and, just, I'm telling you, I just met somebody yesterday. It's just like, when you just start doing the right things, you just draw, people see the success, they see the integrity, they know your life, and it's just like, we're gonna be able to help a lot of people like you have, like Michael has. It's like, it's one thing to say you're a millionaire or you've made lots of money in business. To me, that's great, but it's a whole nother level when you can help other people do the same thing. Like, dude, that's amazing to me, and so it's like, our mindset is on our goals and stuff, but we know if we can help other people, then we're going to be able to help ourselves as well. And it's a blessing, man. It really is.
It's true. I feel like you really only care about money when you really need it. And after that, it really just boils down to what can you do for others, and it's, you're right. I mean, the team is everything. The team is everything. It's been everything in my business life for literally the entire 21 year experience. And I've been super blessed to have exceptional team members the entire ride, and I've also experienced some bumps and bruises because of team members that really had no malicious intent whatsoever. I've experienced bumps and bruises from people that I don't think they didn't have the integrity, and I've been on both sides of that. So I really appreciate what you were saying there, and I couldn't agree more. I think just surrounding yourself with the right people, it does bring together the best opportunities as well. I've got that drain business that I started back in Colorado, and it's just, unbelievable how well it's doing. And, again, I'm here 95% of the time right now in Florida, and that thing is humming along, popping $30,000 to $40,000 months now, and we'll be over $1 million a year on that within next year. And yeah, it was all thanks to a debt weapon on that thing too, so yeah, it's just cool.
And again, it's big because you guys live what you preach. It's like, you're not giving us anything you're not doing yourself, and to me, that's enormous. It's like,
exactly. We're all peers. We're all peers. It's just, hey, if we find something that works well, let's share it among each other. A lot of the stuff I share here, I owe it to the people who listen. They come to me and say, hey, here's an amazing tool or technique, and then I just pass it along as well. So honestly, the VIP channel itself wouldn't be anything without the audience. The content all comes from members of VIP and the listeners of the channel who show up and say, hey, check this out. So it's great when we can work, as a united front together. Everybody can kind of rising tide it.
Yeah, absolutely. And the small-minded people, they just think lack, so that's why they don't want to share with you or whatever. But it's like, no, man, like, there's so much opportunity there. It's just crazy. And that's one thing I've learned about real estate, to be honest, like in these just 3 years, when I've gone to real estate meetings, the local, whatever, for investor, by investors, that kind of stuff. Everybody's been so helpful. Everybody's like, you have a deal. If you need something, let me know. Like, and I'm not used to that because in other industries, it's a little more cutthroat, a little more competitive, where it's like, I don't want to share, blah, blah, blah. But so far, I haven't really come across anybody that's not like that. So for whatever reason, I'm sure they're out there. I know they're out there, but again, we've been very careful on who to select and who to partner with, and and I've seen behind the scenes stuff that nobody will ever hear about, like with Scott, what he's done for people in tough situations that nobody will ever hear about. And I know you've done stuff as well, and Michael, and just all that stuff, man. So it's, you know, it's, again, team is everything, and you find the right team, you get the right pieces, everybody wins, man. And that's every business model we've been a part of so far is just everybody wins. Lavish Keys wins, we win, Pink wins, the sellers with the Pink product wins, the buyers win, we win for helping. So it's like, yeah, man, it's teamwork for sure makes the dream work. That whole saying is true.
I love it, man. Well, you're a great dude. I'm excited to be around you. So thanks for everything again. Give my blessings to Cheryl, and you guys enjoy yourself next week. You deserve it.
We will, man. We will. We'll send you a picture, and enjoy your time. Enjoy your time. Hey, we'll be praying for you for the loss of your nephew, man. It's a terrible accident. I've had family friends who same thing happened, but in a pool. And I mean, it's traumatic, man. And you guys, grieve at the way you grieve, but just know you have people, praying for you and that kind of stuff. And again, if there's anything we could do other than prayers, tangible things or whatever, let us know. We'd be happy to help.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. It goes a long way.
Absolutely.
Well, you guys enjoy your evening. I'll let you get back to your stuff, and we'll talk again here soon, Sean. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks, brother.
All right. Bye-bye.